In this video, I will show you how to animate text in DaVinci Resolve. Start by making sure you are in the Edit panel. First, we need to create a text layer. Go to the Effects panel. If you do not see it, click the Effects button at the top. Now, go to the Titles section and drag the Text Plus option onto your timeline. You can type anything you want here and adjust the font, size, and color to your liking. Once you are done, look in the Inspector panel. Right-click in the text box and select Follower. Then click on this icon to edit the text in the Fusion tab. Inside Fusion, switch to the Layout section and change the layout type to Frame. Now switch from the Tools tab to the Modifiers tab. In the Modifiers tab, go to the Transform section. Here, change it from characters to words if you want to animate word by word. If you prefer to animate by character, you can leave it as it is. Now expand the Size section so we can start the animation. Move the playhead forward to the point where you want the animation to finish. Then click the keyframe icon next to the X and Y values. Now move the playhead back to the start and set the X and Y values to 0. To create an exit animation, just reverse these steps. Move the playhead to where you want the exit animation to begin and set a keyframe. Then move to the end of the clip and set the X and Y back to 0. After that, go back to the Timing section and use the Delay slider to add a delay between each word or character. Now play the video to see your animation in action. We already have a basic animation, but let's make it smoother. Enable the Spline panel by clicking this button. In the Spline panel, click the Zoom In button to see the graph better. Select the first 2 keyframes, right-click, hover over Ease, and select in Cubic. Then select the last 2 keyframes and choose Out Cubic. That's it. You can now switch back to the Tools panel, go to Settings, and turn on Motion Blur if you want extra smoothness. Play your timeline to see the final result.